Right, so now we're getting into the fun part, and that's getting the colour on. So first step is to put the primer on, and we dip a folded stocking into the primer itself, and just a matter of just rubbing it on. It's a very, very simple thing to do. And what the primer does, it has a powerful solvent in it that etches the original finish and combines the new resin that you're going to be putting on with the old finish, so the two become one. So that's what we're doing there now. It sort of acts like a bit of a glue, or some sort of like an adhesion binder, so just rubbing it in. And if you find that you get excessive build-up in the pleats or the stitching, just keep your air gun handy, and you can use it just to blow it out again. So let's get around the corner here. So that's it. Just go over. There we go, the primer's on. Just let that dry now, and then we'll come back and start patting the colour on. Over and out.